Discover Greenhaven Bioethanol, the premium smokeless fuel that burns clean and green. Crafted from high-quality plant materials, it offers a smokeless, odorless, and environmentally friendly fire experience. With 96% purity, it produces no smoke or ash, making it perfect for fireplaces, fire pits, or indoor settings. Designed with safety in mind, it features a safety cap and complies with UK standards. Enjoy eco-friendly fire anytime. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for the perfect firewood to create a warm and cozy atmosphere? Ecoblaze hardwood logs are your go-to choice. Made from premium kiln-dried hardwood, these logs provide exceptional heat output, long-lasting burn times, and easy lighting. Whether you're camping, hosting outdoor gatherings, or enjoying a quiet evening by the fire, they burn cleaner with minimal ash and residue. Sourced sustainably in eco-friendly packaging, Ecoblaze hardwood logs are versatile and reliable for all your heating and cooking needs. Your purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to make your fires easier and cleaner to start? Try Barn Kindling, 100% natural and kiln-dried fire starter, perfect for wood burners, fire pits, open fires, and pizza ovens. Responsibly sourced and free from chemicals, it burns efficiently with low smoke, helping your chimneys stay healthy. Simple to use and store, just add a few sticks and a firelighter for quick, reliable flames every time. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to enjoy a cozy fire with maximum warmth and minimal effort? Hotlogs Big White Bumper Bag offers 60 litres of premium kiln-dried hardwood logs that burn hotter, last longer, and produce less smoke. These sustainably sourced logs are approximately 25 centimetres long, ready to ignite without seasoning. Perfect for fireplaces, fire pits, or wood burners, they provide clean, efficient heat indoors or outdoors. Experience quality you can trust and make your fires more enjoyable. You'll find the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing Pelle Sol Kindling, the perfect firewood for easy and mess-free fires. Each 2.4 kilogram bag contains kiln-dried, dust-free logs that ignite instantly and burn steadily for hours of warmth and comfort. Certified ready to burn by Hardwood, Kindling makes outdoor fires, log burners, or barbecue simple and eco-friendly. Enjoy clean, reliable, and efficient fire every time. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Discover Certainly Wood Kindling, the perfect way to ignite your fires effortlessly. Each large box contains between 110 to 120 dry, natural kindling sticks weighing between 2.5 and 3.5 kilograms. The low moisture content ensures more heat, less smoke, and a cleaner burn for your family and environment. Easy to use with just 4 to 6 sticks, it's ideal for fire pits, barbecues, fireplaces, and outdoor cooking. Fully sustainable, chemical-free, and odorless, this kindling makes every fire special. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing Green Olive Applewood, the perfect choice to take your barbecue to the next level. These Applewood smoking chunks add a sweet, mild, and fruity flavor that enhances poultry, pork, and vegetables alike. Whether you're grilling in your backyard or using a smoker, they infuse your food with a rich, smoky taste, making every bite unforgettable. Transform your summer barbecues into gourmet feasts and impress your guests every time. You'll find the link in the description and in the pinned comment.